What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler with Taz Outdoors. Today's video, back at La Jolla. Tried chasing yellowtail, it didn't work out, so I started bottom bouncing and throwing some hookup baits to see what I could hook onto. Ended up making up for it and having an awesome day. Caught my biggest fish ever from the kayak. It's 36 inches, didn't say that in the video, but hope you enjoy the video.
God damn. Bonito or mackerel? This one's fighting. I like it. This one's a bone. Yeah, there's no way it's a mac. Yeah. There he is. All right, let's stop this and get out there. That is a stud calico. There we go. That's probably, it's like a 19, 20 incher right there, baby. Oh man, another good bass, dude. The big bass are biting today, at least for me. Holy crap, dude, this is like at least like a 4 or 5 pounder, unless he's fouled. Oh, that's a good one. Cam. Nice sandy, yeah. It's a good one. Hey, my fly line's right there. Yeah, my fly line went that way. When I hooked that one, I got dragged off. I got something, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's a Hallie. It's not heavy. That's not bad. Nice little rockfish. Flag. Little guy out deep. Hopefully he's a rockfish. Please be a rockfish. Mother fricker. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. I don't know, dude. It's heavy. Oh. You see it? Yeah. It's big, dude. It's big. It's the biggest halibut I've ever seen, dude.
Damn, dude. Man, you have the best luck out here out of anybody I've seen.
I've been doing pretty good, yeah. Holy, that's big. Holy, that's a big fish. Here, can I have your gaff? I'm just gonna stab it again, just because safety first, right? All right. Oh my god.
How long do you think it is?
Probably like 30. Maybe 35. Whoa, 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 whoa. You need to chill. Ah, let's go. Oh, one gaff in you. Is there any way you could get a picture for me, bro?
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, so that was a tank halibut. Great meat. Can't wait to eat it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.